Got my little Starbucks and we're on our way to... Where are we going?
The Junkyard.
We're going to the Junkyard. We used to go to the Junkyard in high school all the time. Like on Saturdays. Was it Saturdays or Sundays?
It's both.
Because he used to drive an old truck, like the truck he's building, Aiden. And not just for that truck, you would buy other parts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, amigas. My hair looks crazy, but I tried to curl it yesterday, or I tried to like make it curly, and then I went to sleep, obviously. And I need to take Yu treatment for her eyes, so I'm going to go like this. I'm not going to fix my hair, nor am I going to put makeup on, because later we have a little happy hour with the moms from, with some of the moms from school, and so I need to take a shower and fix my hair later. So this is what I'm going like. I have like 10 minutes before I leave. Hey amigas, I came to the closet because I'm home after taking Yu to her doctor's appointment, but I have, Aiden has a friend here that I'm helping out his mom just take care of him while she runs a couple of errands. So they're hanging out, and then I had to take a shower because I took Yu not showered, and yesterday's hair. There's a mosquito in here. Oh, there's a mosquito in here. Anywho, so I showered, I fixed my hair, but I'm going to literally took like a 20-minute nap because I was just tired. I'm up. I'm going to put myself together. I've got an hour, a little under an hour before I gotta go, so let's get ready. Just got home from my little happy hour thing. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8:30, and I'm going to peel an apple for Angelo. That was his request. And I'm not made for drinking amigas during the week because I just had one drink. Reorganize these drawers. Okay, I was just organizing his drawers, which they're now all organized, but I went ahead and just cleaned this out because this area hadn't been organized yet. I had done all of his long sleeve button-up shirts and short sleeve, but I needed to organize all his t-shirts and like polo style shirts. So I organized them, I moved some up, and so he's got room to like add, and it all feels organized and not shoved in there. This side, however, still needs help, but it's all the winter and like sweater stuff, so I'm not going to touch any of that just yet. The baskets.
So I found the remote and changed the channel to something more energy.
As I was cleaning, I found this that I started before we went on vacation for my birthday. Father's Day happened while we were out of town, and so I had this footprint from Alfredo under a stack of papers that I had hidden over here. So I was cleaning, and I had the boys finish it out. Aiden's little footprint, Angelo's footprint, and then I put Father's Day 2023. We love you, Bob. So he'll get it today. I look so beautiful. I've been cleaning all day. I've done all the laundry, took a shower and dried my hair, and it's super poofy. But I'm planning to straighten it tomorrow, so I'm letting it do its thing tonight, and hopefully it doesn't look too crazy tomorrow, and then I'm gonna straighten it. And been working on my puzzle. Good morning, amigas. Look at my poofy hair. It's still going strong this morning. I'm gonna straighten it later, but I went ahead and worked out. Boys are still asleep. Gonna make myself some breakfast. Had a little snack. Hello, amigas. I don't remember if I've talked to you already today, but I don't think I did. I was wearing a different outfit because I was trying to be cute, and then we decided to go take the boys tonight to a light show, and it's gonna be like hot, I'm assuming, probably still in the 90s by the time we go at 9:30, 9:30, 8:30. I don't remember. I think it's 9:30. I'm cooking dinner, so when Alfredo gets home, he can eat dinner. We went and got canes for Aiden because he had a little coupon that he got from camp when he completed it, so he wanted to use that. Got fries for Angelo. Making pork chops. Making pork chops. I finished cooking. Alfredo should be home here shortly. It's 6 o'clock. I close the blinds, but I'm eating dinner. I haven't made this in a while, but I made pork chops and beans, and then I made quesadillas on the side, and it's delicious. I like your shimmery Crocs. What concoction are you doing anyways? I went and picked up McDonald's for me and the kids. Normally I would pick up fast food for the kids, and I haven't been getting any, but today I did. I also been bumming around all day. I did work out this morning, and then I picked up around the house, but the house was pretty clean, so I didn't really have to do much of anything. And then I started getting on TikTok and became lazy, so that's what I've been doing all day. And now I'm gonna have McDonald's and probably watch some YouTube. Look at how much we've done to the puzzle. It looks almost complete. We're getting so close. I want to film today, but I need to clean it because it's looking a hot mess. Also, I wore these sandals on Saturday to our niece's gender reveal, and it was outdoors, and so they're all dirty now from like the footbed, and I'm cleaning them real quick before I put them to bed, before I put them away. But yes, I'm going to clean out my closet. I have a whole pile of stuff that I need to hang up right here, and I'm going to film all of my Amazon finds from... Technically, I'm doing my, like, what I got for Prime, essentially, but I also picked up a few things that I also want to talk about, and I'm bummed about this one thing that I was so excited about. Anywho, so, yeah, I'm gonna clean up. I hope y'all had a great weekend. Clean the closet, and then I'm gonna take a shower and get myself all gussied up to film. The boys are actually at Yu's house. They'll probably be waking up here pretty soon, so I'll probably have time to clean this and then pick them up. So hopefully they'll come fed already, so I can just let them do their thing and I can film. This arrived yesterday, and let me just tell you, I'm obsessed. This dress reminds me so much of a Dressed in Lala like pattern. It just gives me a Dressed in Lala vibe. Really, really like this like diamond shaped print. I had been eyeing this dress, but on from several different sellers on Amazon, because I didn't want it to be that weird material, and I didn't want this to be like stark white on the inside. This is just, it's white, but not like that, you know what I'm talking about? Like when the fabric is completely white and it's that kind of like weird material. This is a really lightweight material. I've been hiding my little vacuum for my room in here, and it's so handy. Keep it back there, out of sight, out of mind. But if I do have it out, it's not ugly. Just gotta bring my rack in here that has all the Amazon stuff, and I'm gonna put it right here next to my filming. I'll show you how I styled this dress. I ended up wearing Converse, and I styled it with my Marc Jacobs like greeny yellow bag. And yeah, so I'm about to make dinner, but Aiden and Angelo just got here from Yu's house, so I'm gonna make him some nuggets real quick because dinner won't be ready until like another hour-ish. But yeah, the necklaces are tangling. So anywho, I did go ahead and film, and I'm going to finish like trying on the items and styling them, but I filmed the video already, like showing the pieces and stuff. So yeah, I still need to do that. Tell me, how do you feel?
Relief.
We did it! It's done. Now I want sushi. I don't think I've talked to y'all all day, but we're about to go to the kids' doctor's appointments. Just got home and we had a package. Aiden got his mesh backpack in because DISD is requiring them to wear clear or mesh backpacks. Hopefully it's okay and it's not too dark, because the more I see it, the more I'm like, is it too dark? I don't know. Made everyone's favorite meal tonight, and it's a little hearty for me because I didn't have lunch today. So don't judge me. I'm gonna play a movie real quick. Hey amigas, and happy Wednesday. Yep, happy Wednesday. I haven't been on here all day. I'm wearing the same thing I was wearing yesterday because I couldn't get into my garage today after I took a shower. So I put on the same shirt and some biker shorts to go to my friend's house today, but she canceled on me, so I didn't do much of nothing. However, I finished editing a video. I posted that this morning, and that's pretty much it. That's all I've done. Oh, and I took a shower and fixed my hair. This morning I got up at like 7:45, and I was in the restroom, and I hear the kid's door open. Angelo walks out, and I'm like, no sir, it is 7:45, and they went to bed at 1. So I was like, go back to bed. He literally turned around, went back into bed. I went back to editing. Well, I went to edit the video, and then I went and checked on him like maybe 30 minutes later. He was out. He slept until 2.